Okay, let's say we have a challenge here. Set x equal to all the columns from season to wind speed and set y equal to the last column. Okay, so x capital equals. Now, if it's by name, it makes sense to use df.loc. Okay, that's one that goes by name. And so in the brackets, we're taking all the rows here, so you can use the colon for all rows. And now we can go ahead and write by name season, and we'll go all the way up to wind speed, assuming that's written correctly. And then for y, we will go ahead and set y equal to just the last column. Now, if we don't know it by name, we want to use index location. So it's .iloc. Once again, we'll take all the rows and just the last column. Okay, so we'll go ahead and press Shift Enter to save x and y, so no errors there. And now you want to look at them to make sure that it is what you think it should be. So x, is a subset of a data frame, so we can certainly look at the first 5 rows. Okay, so press Shift Enter, you can see it starts with season, and it goes all the way up through and including wind speed. Okay, this would be a nice sort of X, like a nice predictor columns to try to predict the number of bike rentals. And then Y, which would be what we're trying to predict. Now Y is just one single column. So let's see if does Y.head work. So Panda series does include the first 5 rows. And we can see that it is in fact showing the count, which is what we wanted. Okay, so when you're deciding between loc and iloc, it really depends on how you're referencing what you're looking for. If you know it by index, call it by index. If you know it by name, call it by name.